You go.
Yo.
Tips out.
Ice cream.
I'm nervous. She looks like a blob. We're at 100 Islands. Are we going on a boat?
Yeah.
We're going on a boat?
Are you gonna swim?
We're going on a boat.
Okay, you wanna swim?
And we're swimming. Oh, girl, you are ashy, girl.
No, that's the lotion.
100 Islands.
Wait,
Vámonos.
go for it.
You go.
Yo.
Tips out. Jesus.
Si ice cream. Picture kayo lahat dito, ma'am.
Are we at the top? We're gonna go to the tippity top. Oh, we're not even there yet? There's more stairs? God damn. We're off to see the wizard. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. Ooh. You're scared?
How about you, Selena?
I'm a 0 girl.
What about you, Ate? I'm nervous.
You're nervous? How about you? Are you scared?
0. 1. Oh my
0. I want to go last. You go.
Okay.
You got this. Relax.
Relax. Go.
She's backwards.
Okay, ready, ma'am?
Yes. Yeah! This is so fun! Woo! I decided to do a little exploring. Because why not? I feel like this little... Ooh, we stepped on something sharp! Oh. It's just like little sitting areas. Oh, thank God. Bathroom. I want to play. So we're doing face masks.
Wait, can you put it on me?
With everyone. Even Jaden. Yeah. Get into it. Oh, no, I went down there and I scared the titas.
You did?
Yeah, they're like, oh my god, you scared me.
Exactly.
Look at Maria.
Mario, let me see.
She looks like a blobfish. I messed mine up.
I do look like a blobfish.
Oh my god, girl.
It's fine now. I just still look like a blobfish. Comment down below if I look like a blobfish. This is bloopers by taking a photo. Run. Elijah, get out of the way. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Everyone doing the peace sign now.
Season 2, Dalawa.
Okay, it's good. Wait, can I see? Can I see?
We look like
Okay.
gold.
Goodbye. Look at Jaden.
I'm cute. Oh my god. That's what happens when you have too many girl cousins. Thank you for watching. New vlogs out every Sunday. Follow my Instagram at Selena_Scalona. Before you leave, comment what you thought was funny, like because you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to see more.